So I have not seen a video on how to remove the quarter window glass on a Challenger. And this goes for every single Challenger, I believe, from 2008, late 2008 to 2021. So this is all you do. Just remove it just like that. Now I'm just playing. So what I did, so it's on here, right? And as you can tell, there's a whole bunch of like silicone right there in the outline so it can stick, right? So in order to take it out, I had to chisel it. You can see all the seal right here. This is the seal. So what I did was chiseled it from right here and just kept on going, outlining it until it came off. There's clips right here and there. Those are easy to remove, trust. All you gotta do is just squeeze the end and it'll pop off. That's how you remove the quarter panel glass window.